Taasir Agarwal Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy. Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain you about the course which name is Taasir Agarwal Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy, offered by Taasir Dawakana Private Limited. This course is prepared for the patients who cure their disease which name is male infertility. By using this course in few months. In today's program, I will explain you what is Taasir Agarwal Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy, how it cures the disease male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reason of disease, indication, male infertility types, complete detail about sperms, quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, we should know what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least 1 year. Most causes of male infertility are due to sperm abnormalities, such as impaired shape and movement of sperms, absent sperm production in testicles, low sperm count, varicocele, undescended set testicle, testosterone deficiency, male hypogonadism, Klinefelter syndrome, infection, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone (FSH). For males, the normal range of luteinizing hormone LH is 1.24 till 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone level are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. The pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Normal follicle stimulating hormone (FSH) level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormone (FSH) level in male may indicate problem with the pituitary glands in the brain. A glycoprotein polypeptide hormone, follicle stimulating hormone (FSH) level is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotrophic cells of the anterior pituitary glands and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Luteinizing hormone LH is a hormone produced by a gonadotrophic cell in the anterior pituitary glands. While luteinizing hormone LH has also been called as interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates Leydig cells, production of testosterone in general. The normal testosterone range in males is about 270 till 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Male infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of fertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male infertility have a problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize. The most common cause of male infertility includes abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health, lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environment elements. Viewers, semen produce on testicle. Testicles are very important in sperms. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle problems. First name is hydrocele and the second one is varicocele. Hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when the fluid collects in the thin sheath surrounding the testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually dissipate with the treatment by age 1. Older boy and adult man can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second one is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the vein within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your eye. Varicoceles are a most common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm disease. There are three types of sperm disease named as azoospermia, oligospermia, and necrospermia. First one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Now I will tell you about what are the signs and symptoms of azoospermia. You may have any of the following: inability to get your partner pregnant, increased body fat, body hair, watery and whitish discharge from the penis, presence of a mass or swelling on the scrotum that feels like a bag of worm, varicoceles, stress or emotional pressure from not being able to conceive a child. Testicles are small, soft or cannot be fed, veins that are enlarged, twisted and may be seen in the scrotum, varicocele. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition and counts of 6.1 to 13.6% of the patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by low sperm count. Other aspect of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at organism. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormonal level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of life and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed by a semen analysis with virility staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. Good health is essential for both men and women. 50 to 60% active motile. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. Male semen has normal sperm count. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million of sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day, and these sperms get mature in 84 days. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefit. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy is due to its unique formulation, contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow in the body. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy is its highest quality and verified or purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is a multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of a person and improve physical health. Taasir Dawakhana has been established in 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy by Taasir Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbal ingredients free from any side effect. Doctor and scientists of our institute work under the supervision of Hakim Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taasir under qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbal ingredients and 100% effective. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy is specially prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taasir Pharma Private Limited. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell, infection, hormonal level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm where the person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase the HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy has some special herbal ingredients those quality to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis length and especially the grit to help your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relationship with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potato, bean, beef, mutton, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh honey, dates and fish. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect our development sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couple experiencing psychological stress had a poorer result. Don't put your laptop on your lap, it also affects your penis and make you infertile. So avoid to do these things. Quit smoking. Tobacco also material negative effects on infertility. Not to mention a general health and a health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Eliminate infertility with Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your normal person is suffering from infertility diseases, then come to Taasir Dawakhana and use Taasir Agrobam Sperm Grow Multiplus Therapy, which cures all your infertility disease and problems. I hope this video was informative with you and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topics and treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.